most I've seen it since I've been here. It's only about 8:30, quarter to 9 right now. And in a couple of hours, the tourists will hit this place and it will be packed. People as far as the eye can see. So it's actually really nice to be here right now and see that it's actually quite calm. It's day 2 of our Vienna Pass excursion. I am on the blue line right now, which is the Danube line, and I am going to go to the Danube Tower. I'm also going to go to the Prater Museum. I think it's a park where I can get on a really big Ferris wheel, so I'm really looking forward to that too. I haven't been on a Ferris wheel in a long time. Another beautiful day in Vienna. It's funny because it was supposed to rain the entire time that I was here, at least according to the weather app on my iPhone. So I've really lucked out. The downside is it's a little sweaty and a little sunburny. I'm getting a little bit of a job done on my nose. I don't have any sunscreen. So I'll just be a little more careful, drink lots of water, and enjoy the day. By the way, we are in an amusement park called the Prater, and it used to be a hunting ground for the Habsburgs, and in the 1700s they gave the land back to the people because the people should be able to enjoy it. And over time it turned into an amusement park, and this is what you have. There are rides everywhere, lots of places to eat and drink, and a giant Ferris wheel that we're going on right now. Ooh. Bumper cars. It is 65 meters high, and it was featured in a film called The Third Man, which was voted best film of the century in the 1990s. But I think I will go up in the Ferris wheel, and when I get home, maybe I will see if it's on Netflix. Here we go to the Ferris wheel. That does it for the Ferris wheel. It was kind of fun. It was good to see the city like that. I'm not sure if it was something that I would have paid for on my own, but it was worth it. It was worth going up. And now I see behind me is Madam Tussauds, and I know that that's free with the Vienna card. Again, not something that I'd ever go and pay for myself, but since it's free and since I'm here, I might as well see what celebrities I can hook up with over there. So that's where we're going next. I have to admit that the only reason I want to go into Madam Tussauds in the first place is to realize my dream of getting my picture taken with a waxy Justin Bieber. And I'm just going to assume he's in here somewhere. So let's go take a look. Lights in here that are kind of built to prevent you from filming. You can notice the flickering on the screen. So sorry about that, but unfortunately that's the way they've got it, and I guess I shouldn't have expected anything different. This was every bit as tacky as I totally expected it and wanted it to be, but at least I got to meet Justin Bieber and Morgan Freeman if he wasn't so creepy now. interest on this whole trip to Vienna was going up into the Danube Tower. It's the tallest structure in Austria, 250 something meters. So it would be really cool to be able to go up there and look down. We'll see. Hi, I'm going to use my Vienna card. How much is a ticket normally?
14 euros
14
and 50
euros?
cents.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So we are at the top of the Danube Tower right now. Let's go take a look at what it looks like from up here. Right now I am at the United Nations in Vienna. Most people don't realize it. They think that New York is the only place that has the UN headquarters, but there's actually 3 others. There is one in Geneva, there is one in Nairobi, and there is one right here in Vienna. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do the tour because it's a little bit later and I don't have a lot of time. Look pretty impressive. I actually tried to see if they could get a tour, but the next tour is at 3:30 and right now it is about 2:30. And honestly, it's way too hot to wait in the sun. So I'm actually gonna go back downtown and see what to do down there. Actually, I'm a little bit hungry. I was in that cafe, but all I had was beer, just as an excuse to get the panorama you saw. And yeah, so we'll just go downtown and enjoy the rest of the day. Ooh, this is a cool building.